Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Michelin King. We're live in the office today. Very busy at the moment. Black Friday, so you get 50% off. So I've just picked a handful of orders that are going out today, just to chat you through them, maybe help you choose a wax or whatever you're after. So, excuse me. Let's start. So first up, we've got Adam. He has went for Crema version 2. So Crema version 2 is a buttery soft wax. It's a show car wax, gives a really nice gloss. And he's also got a free 50ml wax with his order as well. So that's an unreleased wax called Uncharted. So the only way of buying this wax right now is as a free gift. Excuse me. Time of the year, guys. Time of the year. Coughs and colds everywhere. Next up, we've got Robert. So Robert is from Indiana in the US. Those of you that have watched the videos before, you know we ship internationally. We have done for really since the company started out. Our first major market was America, but now we ship all over the world. So it'll either be UPS, FedEx, or DHL. And if you've got a preference, just let me know in the comment section when you place your order. So this is Ivory. So Ivory is a fantastic wax. This was originally made for an Italian, let's call it sports car collection, because it really harboured everything from your supercars to your hypercars. So a wide range of products. Excuse me. Now, this gives you an exceptionally glossy finish, really nice on metallic paint and solid paint as well. Very easy to apply, just an all-round nice wax. So there we go. Next up, we've got Andrew. So back to this little island of ours. So Andrew has went for Rosso. Rosso at the moment is in a limited edition red tin, so it's getting into the festive period. I've only got 8 of these left, guys, so once they sell out, that's it. Next up, we've got Blue. If you buy 50ml, you get a 100ml jar. So there we go, upgraded to 50ml. So really good price on that as well, because you get 50% off the website, plus he's getting the double volume. So that is very good indeed. Next up, we've got Alistair, again back in the UK. Alistair has opted for Blue. So this is a scientifically engineered wax. One of my friends works for an optical company, and I've taken some advice on this, so back to school with this wax for me. Absolutely great wax, really like it. What it does is, if you've got a blue colour, especially if it's got other hues within it, this will look fantastic. Nothing else like this on the market. I don't think there ever will be, because the cost of research and production is very high, but it's just a personal project and I wanted to release it. So this is the wax. Next up, we've got Brent. So Brent ordered 2 things. So he went for his Christmas present was a bespoke wax, which is this one here. So it's a 1 of 1, purple in colour, and I can't remember the fragrance right now. And what you can also do is actually pick some characteristics as well. So actually make the wax to those characteristics, and it won't be repeated, because those characteristics are unique to you. So this wax, once it's made, the recipe's signed off. It is kept in the book, because if you want a refill, you can do that. Refills are only £50. So fantastic wax. Low carnauba point on this, which is interesting because it will make it quite a soft wax. Nice and easy, buttery. Is it a lovely wax? He did really well to design it. And he's also put in another order. This isn't unusual, guys. We're getting multiple orders from the same people over the weekend. So Brent has opted for England. This is a brand new wax. It's on the website. We also have Scotland, and the other one is December Solstice. So we have them on the website. They just went live at the weekend there. Next up, we've got Mr. Pearson. I know your name, Paul. It's a frequent show on the the order Rasta here, so thank you very much again. That's very kind of you. So 100ml of Passion, that's a brand new wax. Again, it's only available if you spend over £99, and then we pop it in as a free gift. It's not available. It's sold out on the website, sold out very quickly. So the only way to get it at the moment is through placing an order. Next up, we've got Azure. This is a limited edition in the cyan coloured tin. Lovely wax. It's a show car wax. It's a blend between your petrochemical waxes and your natural. So it's a very good bridge. Just gets you used to using the natural waxes. They are, in my opinion, a lot more forgiving. Natural waxes are a lot more forgiving, a lot easier to use, and they look a lot better as well. But again, draw your own conclusion, buy the wax and try it. Paul's also went for a 200ml Azure, just his daily jar. It's a lovely wax. It's very popular. I've got another one here from another customer as well. So that's out of the 8 orders that I picked to show in the video today. We've got 2 Azures within that order, so you can see it's very popular. Samire 30ml. No hanging about here. Paul's went for the best wax that we offer. This is the most exclusive, the best, the most expensive. It's the top of the range. You can't get any better than this right now. No, you can't get any better for this. I'm not sure. We would have to find some ingredients that we've not used before to top this. So these were all new ingredients that we'd never used before. We couldn't get access to them before, essentially. So it would have to be something really special to trump this. This is of course, it's my favourite wax. It's the best wax I've ever used. So Samire, if you're looking for something very special for the festive period or Christmas, even just a wee weekend toy, then go for this. I only make 15 of these a year as well. So once they sell out, that's it. So even if you've got $1 million check, I can't make it. You just need to wait till next year. So we only make a set amount per year. That goes for every luxury wax that we offer. We only make a set amount per year, just so that we're able to fulfill our customer service, or what I feel should be the level of customer service that we offer. So that's one of the reasons. And also volume wise as well, we are our thing is more along the lines of what Rolls-Royce do. We are a slow production company that make very high quality products, and you'll never see me making 100 or 200 batch waxes at one point. The issue with that is quality, and we're all human, so there's absolutely no chance that those first 10 or 15 waxes that you're making are as good as the last 10 or 15, or the 10 and the 15 in the middle. So we are very careful. We've got it down to an absolute art, I would say, in terms of quality and production. And again, very similar to what Rolls-Royce used to do, and I'm sure to this day. I've not been to the factory recently. Hint, hint, guys, hint, hint. But and very similar to when I was at Bentley as well. This similar emphasis. It's this manufacturing. You'll get it all over the world. You know, there's certain areas that are known for tea production and silk production, suits, etc. And I would like to think that we are. I think we are the best car wax manufacturer of all time. I don't think that this will be ever topped, because it's a company, but above all else, it's a passion. It's a real passion, and I do eat, sleep, and dream it. You know, it's there 24 hours a day for me. There is no escape. But I'm sure if you buy a wax from me, you'll really like it. And that's what you're doing, guys. Yes, you know, the company's called Michelin King, but as hopefully many of our customers will be quick to say, they speak to me on the phone, speak to me through WhatsApp. If it's online chat, it's myself. If it's the emails, it's normally myself as well. So you're really buying from me. The company's there just to satisfy company's house more than anything else. But these are all our babies, really. You know, it's and the other interesting thing about this is most of the wax that you actually buy is probably, for the most part, is probably less than a week old. And certainly the England and Scotland waxes, because most people buy the waxes straight away once they're on the website. Please do the same. But the England, Scotland, and December solstice, we made that at the weekend. So this wax that I'm holding right now is 48 hours old. So you're not buying waxes that are months old. Again, that will obviously improve the quality. It's like if you've ever taken a tin of paint out your garage and it's only been sitting for 3 months, but it looks completely different than when you bought it from the shop. It's a similar instance. I don't really want to be giving you waxes that are old. This is again, it's a quality thing. It's a luck thing. When you produce your own products, you've got a lot more control over the production. Your clothes are a lot more dirty, though. I don't think owning a pair of jeans that don't feel like Carnauba wax, don't smell like Carnauba wax, and don't clog the washing machine. But there we go. That's it. So there we go. We'll get these orders out today. So keep an eye on your tracking. Take care. Visit the website, michelinking.com. Get your 50% off for Black Friday. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.